Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So as in last video, we had discussed about the union offset, one of the operation offset. Okay. So we have learned union offset with various example. Now today we are going to learn about the intersection offset. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the intersection of set. Okay. So intersection of set means common thing you will see. Okay, in union we have seen common thing and rest of the element. In intersection of set we will see common element in two sets or three sets. Okay, so see here, so intersection of set denoted by this symbol means, okay, so see, u is there, then inverse of u you can see. Okay, so intersection of C means common. Okay, so see here, one question is given. So on the basis of this question we will try to learn in a proper way of the intersection of set. Okay, so see here what question is saying. If a is equal to 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11 is there, b is equal to 7 comma 9 comma 11 comma 13 is there, c is equal to 11 comma 13 is equal 13 comma 15 is there, and d is equal to 15 comma 16 is there. Okay, so we have to find the intersection. See, first question is saying find intersection of a and b, means you have to find the intersection of a and b. So see, this is the a set and this is the b set. Okay, so intersection of set means you have to see common element in both sets. Okay, so that will be the intersection of set. So we will see the common. See, common element is 9, 9, 7, 7, 11, 11. है ना? See here. So 7, 9, 11 are common in both. So here we will write what? 7, 9, 11. So 7, 9, 11 will be the intersection of A and B. Okay, so intersection of set means common element you will see in two sets. So see, in A and B, 7, 9, 11 are common elements. So the intersection of A and B will be 7, 9, 11. Okay. Now see the second one. Second one is what? B intersection C. B intersection C means you have to see common element in B and C. Okay, in B and C. So in B and C, common element is what? C. 11 is there, 11 is there, 13 is there, 13 is there. So only 11 and 13 are common elements in B and C. So intersection of B and C will be what? 11 comma 13. See, so 11 comma 13 will be the intersection of B and C, because 11 and 30 are common in both. Okay, now see the next one, see the third one. Now in this you have to find the intersection, first intersection of A and C, after that intersection of A and C and D, means first of all you have to write the intersection of A and C. So see the intersection of A and C. A, this is A and this is C. So in A and C, only 11 is common. See, okay, only 11 is common. So first of all you will write here 11. So in A intersection B, C, so okay, so first write down A intersection C. So what it will be? 11 will be there. Okay, see, only 11 is common element in both. Now you will write the intersection with D. Now you will write the intersection of this set with D. Okay, so see the D. In D, any common, C, in this 11 is there, in this 15 comma 17 is there. Okay, so any common element is there. So see, no common element is there. So whole value will be the 5. If no element will be there, then that set is denoted by 5. Okay, see here. Okay, or you can write like this also, only put simply present, no element is there. Okay, now see the next one. Next one is A intersection C. A intersection. So see here we have already done A intersection C. So write down here 11. 11 is common element in A and C. Okay. Now see the intersection of B and D. This symbol denotes intersection of B and D. So you will see the common element in B and D. So this is B, this is D. So in B and D, any common element is there? C. 7, 9, 11 is 13 is there. In this 15 and 17. So I think no element is there. No common element is there in B and D. See 15, 17. No common element is there. So simply you will write what? 5 or simply braces use. Okay, see here. In this way you will write the intersection of B and D. Now see this one. So here two things you have. First of all, you have to find B union C. So as we have done in the last video, B union C, we had learned about the union. So how you will write the union, common part and rest of the element. Okay, then you will find the intersection. So first here write A intersection and write down the set of B union C. So this is B and this is C. Okay, so see 7, 9, 11 is common. So one time write 13 is common only one. So what you will write? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. See. So B union C will be what? B union C will be what? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 will be there. Now you have to write A intersection of this set. So this is A and this is okay next set that you have to take intersection in this one. So in this and this any common part is there? See common element is there. So 7, 7 common, 9, 9 common, 11, 11 common. So it means what will be the value of whole of this? 7, 9, 11. See here. See here. Okay, so in this way you will write the A intersection of B union C. So first of all you will write B union C, then you will write the intersection with A. Okay. Now see the next one. Next one is A intersection D. A intersection D means you have to seek any is there any common element in A or D or not. So see A is what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is there. In this 15, 17 is there. So see no common element is there. So answer will be 5 or denoted by simply braces. No element will be in the braces. Okay. In this way you will do. Okay. I hope you are understanding what is intersection of set. Okay. Now see the next one. A intersection of C. So in this first of all you have to write intersection of B and D. First of all you have to write the intersection of B and D. So see the B1 and D1. B is 7, 9, 11, 13 and this is 15, 17. So see in B and D no common element is there. So intersection of B and D will be what? 5. Will be what? 5. 5 or you can denote it by simply braces. Now you will see the intersection of A and 5. So A is there. So in this element is there. In this no element is there. So answer will be what? 5 again. Okay. Now see this one. See this one. In this one what saying? A intersection B and intersection A B union C. So first of all you have to write A intersection B. So A intersection B we have already done here. See here 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. Okay. How we have done? You will see the common part, common element in both. So 7, 9, 11 are common element. So you will write here. Now here you will put the intersection. Now see you have to write B union C. So see B union C we have done. See here. B union C we have done here. See here written na 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 is there. है ना? So B union C is there. Okay. So how we have written? So B union C union is what? Set of all set. It means you have to write the element of that set also and that set also. But common element should not be repeated. common element should not be repeated. Okay, so in this way you will write here. Now we have to write intersection of this set and this set. So intersection of this set and this set. So intersection means you have to see the common element. So see 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11. Common element are there. So you will write 7, 9, 11 will be the intersection of this one set. Okay, now see the next one. Now you have to write the intersection of A union D and B union C. So first of all you will write A union D. So see here, if you have written A union D here, then write down. So nothing is there, so write down A union D. So this is the A and this is, so write the element of all A set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Now see the D1 15, 16. So no common element is there, so no need to worry. Okay, just write down all the elements. If common is there, then write down that common element only one time. Common element should not be repeated in union when you are writing union. Okay, now intersection B union C. So B union C, you have written already. See this B union C. Okay, so same thing you will write here. What you will write? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 will be there. Okay, see. So B union C already written here. So write down how you have written. So B union C means B union C. So write down 7, 9, 11 is common, to write down one time. 13 is common, only write down one time, and 15 is there. Okay. Now you have to see, you have to write the intersection of this set and this set. Intersection means again common element you have to see. Okay. What? Common element you have to see. Okay. So common element means, so see which one is common. See 7 is common, I think, 9 is common, 11 is common, 15 is common. Okay, so 7 is common. Okay, so write down common element. 7 is common in both, 9 is common in both, 11 is common in both. Okay, 13 is common, no, 13 is not common, 15 is common. So write down 15 here. Okay, write down 15 here. B union C we are talking about. Okay, so B union C in 15 only. So see, only this much. See here again, 7, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11, 15, 15. Okay, after this no element is common. So intersection of A union D and B union C will be 7, 9, 11, set of 7, 9, 11, 15 will be there. Okay, so I hope you have understood how you will write the intersection of set. See here, all the things are written here about the intersection of set. Okay, so I hope you have understood properly. Okay, so in next video we will learn about the difference of a set. Okay, so one thing learn here, main thing. Okay, so one basic thing learn: if intersection of set is phi, or simply braces is there, means if no element is there. Okay, suppose that, okay, if two sets are there and their intersection is phi, or simply braces no element is there, then that set called as disjoint set. What? Disjoint set. Okay, so from here we know that one type of set, disjoint set. Okay, two or more set whose intersection of set is phi, or no element is there. Okay, so that set called as disjoint set. So one thing know here, so in one video we will discuss about some disjoint set also. We will check in question key which set is disjoint or which set is not disjoint. Okay, so see here, so I hope you have understood about the intersection of set. So in next video we will learn about the difference of set. Okay, so till now, goodbye, and wait for the new next video. Okay, thank you.